Welcome back. Another live trade case study here for you. I'm long this market down from here. You can see I'm long, and you can see that this is live on TradingView. You can see the buy and sell buttons on the top there. You can see the candle timer moving along, and that's just to indicate and let you know that this is not market replay. Okay. And before I talk about the rationale for the entry, let me just show you what we have been doing inside of VIP. Okay, we've had an amazing week so far. So at the start of the week, I provided students with the overall objective that we are looking for a movement up to around 2965. Okay, and I mentioned that first I would like to see the market drop down to 2890, and that's where we're going to be looking for a long setup. Okay, from that level, so you can see the market has dropped, okay, a bit beyond 2890. Okay, now let me show you that was the overall weekly objective, right? So I provide my students inside of VIP a weekly objective, okay, and then on the day, and this is all provided to them prior, so you can see this was 2 days ago, so this was on the weekend, okay, and then this was also 2 days ago, also on the weekend. I provided directional bias for students for the Monday, okay. So I've said to them that we're looking for the market to get down to 2890 and then up to 2965, and I said on Monday we should get a short setup down to 2890, okay, and that's exactly what we've had. So we've been short this market, okay, down yesterday, Monday, down to 2890. That's 2890 there. Let me draw a box around this. So we were short from around this level here, okay, down to 2890, okay, and that was kind of the zone that I provided to students. So we've made a nice more than 200 pips. I've already journaled my particular short trade on YouTube and Twitter. That's where I post all my trades. So I was short from around that level there, okay, down to just that level there, which I was just targeting the previous daily low. Okay, I had size on my position, right, 10 lots, so I wanted to exit. Okay, I also did a live trade on TradingView. I recorded the screen. Okay, you can see that short, the same kind of short, but on TradingView I let it go down a bit more, down to where I had already mentioned the target, down to 2890, where on my own account I exited a little bit early, okay, because I had size on that position and time zone, right, because here in Sydney it's quite late at that time, so I can't stay up late managing my trade, but obviously on the paper demo trading account I can just leave the screen recording for the trade to meet its objectives. Okay, so that's why there's a bit of a difference there in what you see on the live on the TradingView and what you see in my own account, right? Because I wanted to target previous daily low, which is just there. I've got size. You can see there's 2 5 lots there, and at that point it's quite late in my time zone, so it's better for me to close out the position. Okay, now once we've got down there to 2890, you know, I've told them we may even get down to 2880. Okay, and that's where we actually got down to. So you can see the low there is pretty much 2882, right? So pretty accurate forecasts inside of VIP, and that's pretty typical. Okay, you've seen on my YouTube videos that I'm pretty accurate on my forecast when I used to do the weekly analysis videos on YouTube, but that's now reserved for VIP members only. I only do the weekly videos for VIP because it does take some time, and they are entitled to it. Okay, and so now once we've met our downside objective, so this is my guidance this morning. You can see this is hours ago, right? 7 hours ago before the market's even opened, right before today's even opened. I've told them that now we've met our downside objective, and now we're looking for higher prices. So everybody is along this market, and that's where this live trade case study is now coming. Okay, so the downside movement was just a higher time frame objective. Okay, so if let me just turn all these lines off, a bit messy there. So I was looking for the market to come down, take all this liquidity back into the 4 hourly bullish order block. Okay, this is a pretty big consolidation. Okay, and that was a level I provided to VIP. Okay, that kind of meets these down candles as well. We come right down into these down candles as well, a bigger higher time frame bullish order block. Okay, very messy charts, so I doubt many retail traders have been able to trade this consolidation, but in VIP we have been locking in hundreds of pips, okay, with this consolidation. We had an amazing trade Monday, which I've journaled, okay, 200 pips, and we've been trading this up and down all as, you know, even last week as well. Okay, so that was why I've entered. Also, it's a key zone for me from a level, a pricing perspective, 2890 to 2880. Okay, and you can see that I'm targeting the highs there. Okay, on this live trade, right, on paper, on this TradingView paper demo account. I've also got the same trade on in my own account as well. Okay, the immediate target would be probably equal highs here. You can see there's probably got lines there, so you can see equal highs there, 2915. Let me turn all these off now. I don't need any of these. These are for my trades over the last couple of days, Friday and Monday. So now I'm targeting right now this. I mean, I've got my TP up high. Okay, that's currently, I think that's last week's high, Friday's high. That's probably where we are headed. Okay, up to, what's that? That's 2930. Okay, but I'll see how the price behaves at these highs. I may take off a chunk of my position at these equal highs at 2915. That's certainly currently what I have given guidance to in VIP, right? So I've told them that we've now met our downside objective. We're looking for the market to reprice up to those equal highs at 2915, and then obviously to the previous daily high. Okay, so 2915 is kind of my immediate objective. So I just wanted to record the entry here for my live trade case study here, so that when I post the results, if you want to see the video, then at least I'll have that recording. I'm not going to keep this recording all throughout because this might take a couple of hours and I want to still use my computer to be able to provide more guidance to VIP as this day evolves. Okay, but I just wanted to show you the entry of this live trade video case study. So entered down here. Okay, that's at 288.2.50 around that level, and this will be a nice movement up. So even back up just to 2915, which is an equal highs there, is going to be over 300 pips. Okay, so in VIP, this is the kind of stuff we do. We do it every single day, and you can see the guidance that I provide. You can go back and rewind the video and have a look at what sort of guidance I provide to my students at the start of the week, right, which is a weekly analysis video for them. Not always a video, most of the time it's a video, but sometimes it's just straightforward. Like last week, it was just straightforward. Just you know, this is what I'm expecting. These are the levels. We're going down to 2890, and then we're going to be taking a long position. And then on the day, Monday, also exact guidance. So you know, we're going to be shorting down to 2890, and then we're going to be longing from that level up to 2965, whatever the level is that I provide. Okay, and then as the day evolves, you know, more guidance on what to expect. And then same for today, new day, more guidance, new directional buys, in alignment with the weekly analysis, unless something has changed. But you know, today's a new day. It's Tuesday, and clear guidance that look, we're looking for longs up to 2915, and then as the day evolves, I'll give them the exact setup. So this morning I provided them with the exact setup to long this market. So everybody in VIP is also long this market. Okay, so I hope the video is useful. Watch out for the results that I post later on. And this is what I teach. So, you know, I invite you to join the VIP community. The link to join is in the description of this video. Okay, and I look forward to working with you inside of VIP. Hope the video is useful. I will now talk with you in another video.